Good morning. It is 6:30. I just wanted to show you the spectacular sight. I'm inside right now because it's minus 28 Celsius out there. Venus. Do you see that shining up there? That's Venus. There's two of them up there. Oh, I should just go outside. Beauty planets. Caught my eye through the trees while I was taking the dog out. Oops. We have the moon. Where's our moon? There's our moon right there. Oh, it looks like a bunch of trickery through my window. But that's how bright it is in comparison, right up there. Ooh. Going through the trees. Yay! There they are. That's beautiful. Alright, we're kicking off space this year. Earthsky.org is an awesome go-to place if you want to see what planets are out there. So here we are. Let's go have a look at Venus and Jupiter. Alright guys, can it get any better than this? Oh my goodness. We have Venus on the right. Or wait. Beautiful, beautiful bright planets right now. Oh, it caught my eye when I took the dog out. Tried to get a quick clip of it upstairs, but this is just so much more majestic. Ooh, let's get a little closer. Here I thought I'd have to trek through the neighborhood, but nope. There we go. What a beautiful conjunction this morning. It is January 28th, 2019. Saturn's going to be coming up on the horizon, but I am not going hunting for that right now. And where's our moon? Like seriously, that's even against a street light. If we turn this way and look up in the trees... There's our moon. Hello, moon. That's through my trees, though, so it's not going to be very clear. Let's see if we can zoom in. Oops. Let's see if we can zoom in on this beauty before it's too late. Oh, it's an engine on the highway. You know it's cold wind. It was cloudy here for the eclipse, and unfortunately we missed it. But if you check online, there was a little piece of space debris that hit the moon during the eclipse. Like, that is so fantastic. People are starting to wake up. Venus is on the left. Jupiter is on the right. We've got the neighborhood waking up. Let's have a look at Venus. Get in there. Zoom into space. Oh, it's so beautiful. Hee hee hee. Alright. There's Venus. Let's find Jupiter before we lose it in the light. Or behind that tree. Fantastic. There we go. Oh, what a beautiful morning. I took the dog out this morning. I was able to see these. They caught my eye. It was a little darker. But oh, is that ever a sight to see. Alright, you guys, I'll see you next time in the Moon and Space playlist. Click one of those boxes.